Great, where are you going?
Hey everyone, let me show you what we have. I'm here at our office in Mediversity Health in Salem. Let me show you what we have over here, something a lot of people might not know that what Mediversity Health has to offer. Come with me, let me show you what we have. So this is something out of ordinary that not many people know that we do. We at Mediversity Health are specialized in hair restoration and hair transplant. The good thing about us is we have an affordable program for people that are losing hair and want to find a solution. Our providers are professional providers that have been doing this over 20 years. The good thing about us is this is a partnership that we have arranged for people that have lost hair and want to restore their hair. We do offer a lot. Let me show you our facility here in United States. We have a waiting room up here for you while you are waiting to be seen. A relaxed environment here. Up here we have pre and post hair washing place for you to get your hair checked out, and in case if we need to do any procedures, let me show you. We do have a sterile environment to offer for people that need any procedure done. This is done under sterile technique. This is our operation room here in South Jersey that is right around the corner. The good thing about this is our staff knows the procedure very well. We are right now doing a program in partnership with our partners in Turkey to provide you the best experience at an affordable cost for people that are losing hair. We offer the hair grafts, we offer exosomes, we offer PRP, we offer the vitamins, we offer the labs. Nobody else has that pre and post operative care that is offered through Mediversity Health at a great affordable price that you can always restore your confidence by getting your hairline the way it needs to be. So come check us out, check out our website, come in, call us for an appointment. We'll be more than happy to see you and see how we can help you.